Alright, so we got this Modern Horizons 3 Collector's Edition. Let's open this bitch up, see what's inside. And my daughter here has 3 Pokemon Temporal Forces booster packs. She will also be opening hers. Let's see what's inside. Alright, let's open it up. Very nice, very nice. Alright, we'll do pack 1.
I got Mr. Mime from the original show.
Nice.
Oh, I also got Raichu.
Raichu's great. Alright, let's look at these.
Got an ancient.
The Fetid Gargantua. Always very nice.
I got an extended art.
Some good cards in this pack so far. Alright, it's the land. Aether Spike, good one. Tireless Provisioner. I don't know how much this one is worth.
Mud Saddle.
Very nice.
Extended art shiny.
Jet Medallion. Desert Warfare. Polluted Delta.
That's cool. What is it?
Ulamog.
Nice.
Ulamog first pull. Now it's just a regular Ulamog, but this thing is still, I think, worth like 60 bucks, 60, 70 bucks.
Is it foil or retro?
This is a retro frame, but no foil.
Might be worth more.
It might be worth more, but that is such a good pull. Literally first back. And then Pearl Ear, Imperial Advisor, I don't think she's worth much. Oh my god.
Keep the legend.
I'm so happy that I just got this Ulamog. I've been looking for Ulamog for so long. Alright, so that is pull number 1. This is already way better than the box I pulled yesterday. First pull. Alright, let's see if we can get this guy serialized. Oh, Pikachu. Nice.
After I got Raichu, that's so cool.
Yeah, you got the whole evolution now, I think.
I got Future.
Nice. Alright, so that's an Ulamog pull. Let's see if we can get him serialized. I doubt it. Or even just like a retro foil one. That'd be so sick. Grave Dig, Twisted Landscape, Refurbished Familiar, Colossal Dreadmask, Idol of the False Gods. I can't remember if this is worth anything, but it's a good card. Propagated Zone, here's my island. Consuming Corruption, really good to play actually. Evolution Witness, Argent Deus, Final Act. Can't remember if this is good or not as far as selling goes, but decent to play. A Power Balance, Null Drifter, White of the Reliquary, foil.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Some pretty decent stuff here. No mythics, but that's okay. It's only the second pack. Third pack. Let's get into it. Nice. What one is that?
I don't know. Like a Japanese name.
How do you spell Ulamog?
Coradon.
Coradon.
Oh, never mind. Don't touch it.
I didn't touch it I touched it with my pinky, I promise.
Alright.
How do you say it?
Ulamog. Ulamog. Okay. It's the third pack. You can have that cat if you want. Tranquil Landscape, Eldrazi Repurposer, Trade and Charm, Unfathomable Truths, Essence Reliquary, Grim Servant, great to play, I don't think he's worth much. Triton Wavebreaker, here's the land in between. Marionette Apprentice, actually a good card to play, I don't think it's worth much. It That Heralds the End. Foil, I don't think it's worth much, but still pretty cool.
This is
That one's pretty cool. Roshin Roaring Prophet. Quorum the Undertaker. He might be worth something. He's Mythic Legendary, so I'll keep him out there. Monumental Hinge. Warren Soul Trader. And a Extended Art Foil Fury, which is also Mythic, so I'll leave that out there to be priced later. I'm so happy about that Ulamog. It is going into my standard deck.
$54.
100% for the Fury.
No, for
the Ulamog. Yeah. Yep. And he's he's literally going to be played. I don't plan on selling him. Now, if I get an extended art foil or something like that, retro foil, Ulamog, I'll probably sell him. Alright, so we have Seed Smash, Seething Landscape, good card to play, Obstinate Gargoyle, Accursed Marauder, I play this one a lot, Reckless Pyrosurfer, Victimize, yeah, this is actually a really good card to play. Suppression Ray, here's our land in the middle, we get into the good stuff. Another Accursed Marauder. I get these so much in these collector's packs. Strike It Rich. Krick, Son of Yawgmoth. I don't think he's actually worth anything. Planar Nexus, I think, is actually worth something. Guide of Souls. Yeah, there's another Keurig. And then Pearl Medallion. Okay. Man, we started out really strong with that Ulamog, and so far haven't found much better than that just yet. But we are still trucking along here.
oh sick.
Token Creature, Spellgorge are weird. I have never seen this guy before. That is a really sick card. And if you like him, baby, you can have him. Jolted Awake, Breathe Your Last, such a good card to play. Gift of the Viper, Serum Visionary, Emissary of Soulfire, Nesting Grounds, Revitalizing Repast, okay. We're at our land card. A Retro Jolted Awake, Retro Monstrous Vortex, Retro Foil, Sowing Microspawn, Overclocked Electromancer, Airghast Erupting Nullkite. This one
That's
actually,
a borderless.
yeah, it's a borderless as well. Yep. Try and get it in the camera there. I think he might actually be worth something.
Yeah, I'm putting all of these cards, like the foils and like the borderless
Okay.
costs in the video.
Wrath of the Skies, and then Persist. I don't think, Persist is another mythic, so I'll keep it there. We'll price those out.
Is it a special guest?
Yes, it is. MH3 special guest.
$4.82.
$4.82. Gotcha. Okay. Let's look at this. Serpadian Simulacrum, Malevolent Rumble, Cyclops Superconductor, Airy Auxiliary, Furnace Hellkite. I have a million of these. Urza's Cave, Annoyed Ultrasaur. Actually, pretty good card if you can get the mana. Okay, so Swamp. Got a Strike It Rich, Jolted Awake Retro Foil, Polluted Delta, Infested 3-Max, Windswept Heath.
Oh shit, I think that's a good one.
Ral Moon's
Yeah, he's good.
Monsoon Mage.
Turn around.
Very good.
Is it foil?
No, it's not foil, it's extended art though.
It's so good.
And Necrodominance Retro Foil. I know Necrodominance is worth a little bit.
The Planeswalker is good.
Ral.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs remaining. And I've gotten some pretty good pulls.
I stole one.
Oh, I stole. That's fine. These are all going to you later on in life anyways. This is my way of building generational wealth.
By cards.
Yes. Let's see if I can get into this, man. There we go. Alright, let's see.
The good cards I pulled is Forest, no border, I think.
So foil.
Detective, Phoenix?
Phoenix.
Extended art.
Nice. You can put it up and show the camera. Very, very nice pulls.
Primal Players, extended art, and Servio, extended art.
Nice.
Also, foil.
Alright, so let's get this pack going. Oops. Kick the camera around there a little bit.
They're
Sorry.
gonna make fun of me because I did the bully.
Okay, so we've got the Bountiful Landscape. Wither and Bloom is just such a good card to have in a deck. It's great. So we got our Perilous Landscape, Larva, Ral, and the Implicit Maze. Looks like it's okay. Okay, here's our Forest, another Evolution Witness, a Priest of Titania, Ulamog the Defiler, foil. Not retro, but foil.
Let me see.
Ulamog the
Nice,
Defiler.
nice, nice. I got it. I'm gonna leave it up.
Yep. Second
Foil?
Ulamog in a
Can you keep it right
box.
here?
Is it a foil?
Oh, you don't have to. I was just gonna look it up. You keep it right there.
Is it a foil?
Please don't touch it because you have chicken feet.
Yeah, definitely not.
I literally got an Ezlast too. This is another one of the Eldrazi Titans.
That's sick.
I might get all of the Eldrazi Titans in this one set. If I get the full set of Eldrazi Titans, I will.
That's a $60 card.
$60 card?
Yeah.
You can cuss in the video. I know how to block them out.
Okay. I'd still just rather not. Okay, so we got this Azlask. Did you pull one?
Two-Face. Another one.
A Jet Medallion. Recruiter of the Guard. And then the Nethergoyf. I don't think he's one of the Eldrazi Titans, but he's still a good mythic card. And you pulled one, so.
Two this time. Because I did another pack.
Okay, no more of these packs. You got your Pokemon.
I ran out of those. What? What?
Hmm?
What?
I'm gonna show these off. Okay, the Thriving Skyclaw, Horrific Assault, Nyxborn Unicorn. This is the Gremlin token creature. The Toxic Deluge is a good one. Songhorn Nemesis. Sling Gang Lieutenant. This just looks beautiful. I don't know.
Is it uncommon?
It's just it's a silver.
Yeah, uncommon.
Yeah.
Look it up.
Tune the narrative. Okay, the swamp card. Depth Defiler. It's good. Look up Aslast the Swelling Scourge as well, because he's one of the top cards.
I'm putting that in the video.
Okay, just yeah, show your cards.
These are just biomes.
Oh, violence.
Yes, Spine Master Vault and Extended Art.
Spine Master's Vault. Yep, very nice.
8.
This Streaker's
8?
Blue.
Oh,
Extended Art.
maybe he's not one of the Disruptor Flute. Okay, that's pretty cool. That was really good. Maybe he's not one of the Eldrazi
Both
Titans.
those all the mugs you got there were $55 a piece about.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Alright, let's get this other pack. Copy, it's just a token. Flip this over to the Mandibular Kite. Okay, Expanding Ooze. Dream Drinker Vampire, another good one to play. Aether Spike, Hope Ender Coatl. Ghostfire Slice. Johnny Fills the Godshire. Okay, here's our land card in the middle. A little retro Meltdown to start it off. A little retro foil Lion Umbra. Flare of Fortitude. Filigree Racer. Ugin's Binding.
That's good.
This one's good.
It's very, very, very good. Let me see it. Is it here? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a damn good card.
Wrath of the Skies, and then Polluted Delta. Alright, we have 2 more packs to go, and we have got 2 Ulamogs from this pool. What a good box.
So that's 15.
15?
You had another one I was interested in that I didn't really get to see.
The ones that I know should have some decent value are sitting over here.
What's the Planeswalker's mage name again?
Rao Monsoon Mage. And then there's another one, Corum the Undertaker. I don't think he's worth all that much, but... Okay, we got a token creature. Boom, put that out. Conduit Goblin. Temperamental Oozewag. Good card. I just won a match with that one the other day. Void Pouncer. Tune the Narrative. Planar Genesis. Indebted Spirit. Distinguished Conjurer. Here's our Plains. Hard Evidence Retro. Looks pretty decent. The Snow-Covered Waste. We got that one. The Chthonian Nightmare. I don't think I've ever seen that one before. Aura Shifter. Oh! Little Shepherd.
The Aura Shifter, can you put that to the side too? If you don't mind.
Brea, Ethereum Shaper, and Pearl Ear Imperial Advisor. And foil.
It's a foil etched, or just a foil?
Which one are you looking at?
The Advisor, never mind. You're good.
Yeah, Pearl Ear Imperial. Okay. Last pack. See if we can get another Ulamog. Retro foil this time. Or serialized. I don't discriminate. I'm just happy. I went through 2 of these boxes yesterday. There was not one Ulamog. I went back today, got another box, and pulled 2 out of 1 box. Alright. Foreboding Landscape. Sorry, let's get this picked up here. It's hard evidence. Okay. A Foreboding Landscape. Utter Insignificance. Nyxborn Hydra. Scurrilous Sentry, good to play. Barbarian Ring. Razor Grass Ambush. Okay, here's our planes in the middle. Unstable Amulet. A Retro Foil Hard Evidence. Party Thrasher. A Brood Mate Tyrant. The Argent Dace. The Wooded Foothills. And Springheart Nantuko. The Planeswalker. Not much out of that pack, but
Wooded Foothills is about 50.
the Wooded Foothills is?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't know. It's just the retro. It's not like foil or anything.
Yeah, the retro. The retro is even more.
Oh.
Wooded Foothills retro with non-foil is $12.
$12, still pretty nice. Huh? What'd you say, babe? So we got some really good pulls out of this one. These Ulamogs. I will be using this one to play with, and this one. Actually, I don't know which one's more expensive, the retro or the foil.
Definitely the foil.
I would think the foil, but the retros are still worth a good amount. One of these I will be playing with. The other one I will be sleeving for sure, and probably putting it up for sale on TCG Player.
No.
Maybe. Well, actually, no, I won't be. I will be saving it so that one day my daughter can put it up for sale on TCG Player. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that has been a box of Magic the Gathering collectors. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you.